Vechain on the daily chart is slightly losing a key area of support between the 0.02589 and the 0.02121. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we need to bounce back above this key area of support, and above all dive deep into the 4-hour chart, giving you a negative structure that has been unfolding over here. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the upside, where you can see that 5-wave structure to the upper side gave us a high above the 0.034, and having completed a 5-wave structure to the upside, we can now term that whole structure as an impulsive additive count 1. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever we should expect next is a retracement in the formation of a second wave. And once we have a low in place in the formation of that wave 2, we should expect another bounce in the formation of a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the second wave for this case were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.02588 and the 0.0252125, an area that we have not fully maximized. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we are slightly losing that key area of support. And that means that in case we totally lose this area and also lose our last line of support above the fib level 0.88, above the 0.01973, then it is most likely that we are going to get a total reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April and continue dumping here on the Vechain chart. But if by any chance we manage to get back into this key area of support and continue seeing that increase in volume to continue pushing the prices even higher, then that will be a clear indication that we have a low in place in the formation of that second wave, and a more bullish case scenario in the formation of this wave 3 is now unfolding. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given, assuming that this is the final low for this second wave, by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that we can pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.04455 as our next target area. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher impulsively in the formation of that wave 5. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the daily chart. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where you can see that that was the formation of the wave 1. We saw a bounce in the formation of that second wave, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally saw the formation of that wave 5, fully hitting the minimum target areas above the 0.1764 on the fib level 0.618. And this area has now given us a bit of a reaction to the upper side, and the most likely scenario is that we should be getting an ABC corrective bounce over here, where we can term this initial bounce as the formation of the wave A, then this could be the formation of that wave B, and we can easily get one more new high in the formation of that wave C in the next coming hours. And the minimum target areas within which we can expect this wave C to top out can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 5. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.03065 and the 0.02426, which is the yellow target area over there. And within this area, we can expect that wave C to top out, and if by any chance we get rejected over here, that will be a clear indication that a more bearish case scenario is unfolding, where we can get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April, and even on the worst case scenario, get to new bear market lows. But if by any chance we manage to break above this key area of resistance, then the scenario that I just gave you on the daily chart, where we should expect the formation of this wave 3, should continue to play out. So those are the two possible scenarios that I am expecting here on the Vechain chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.